Smart water level alarm circuit, preventing tank overflow. This circuit is equipped with 3 indicators to signal 3 different water levels within the tank. It generates a warning signal when the water level in the tank approaches the overflowing level. Install all the components on the breadboard as demonstrated in the diagram and follow the step-by-step instructions provided in the video. This water level alarm circuit is very simple and can be easily made using readily available components. Connect the water level probe to the circuit following the diagram displayed on the screen. After installing all the components on the breadboard, double-check the connections in accordance with the diagram. Once confirmed, apply a 12-volt power supply to energize the circuit. In this video, you will find step-by-step instruction about how to install components on the breadboard. Follow the step-by-step instructions on the screen to install all the components on the breadboard. The 4 PMP transistors, configured as a switch. First 3 transistors indicate the presence of water in the tank, and the 4th transistor switches on the buzzer giving warning signal that the tank is almost full. Find the circuit diagram for this project by following the link provided in the description section. In our next video, we will make the same project on the Variboard. Please subscribe our channel now if you like to watch our hobby electronics projects.